If you're struggling with fatigue, brain fog, dizziness, anxiety, insomnia, and gut symptoms, you likely have one root cause connecting your gut health to your blood. Today I'm going to show you how in just 2 months I helped a patient resolve her chronic fatigue, low ferritin, and iron deficiency symptoms by fixing her gut. And if you find this helpful, I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe so more people can watch this video. My name is Dr. Tom Rofrano from the Natural Medicine Clinic in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, and author of The Free Diet. I've been practicing for 40 years now, and most of our new patients come in with chronic digestive issues, and abnormal ferritin is a common finding I see. And this patient was one of them, a 59-year-old woman who came in with severe fatigue, insomnia, dizziness, brain fog, shortness of breath, heart palpitations, anxiety, depression, headaches, irritability, hair loss, along with the gut symptoms of indigestion, gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, plus other symptoms. She was feeling absolutely miserable. She'd go through periods where she would be in bed a week at a time, not able to work. She had been to her primary doctor, referred to specialists, and getting nowhere. I ran lab testing and she had severe iron deficiency anemia, very low ferritin, also deficient in B12, folate, vitamin D, and other nutrients. She had high thyroglobulin and other autoimmune antibodies, below optimal adrenal function. So what was causing this? She was no longer menstruating, so it wasn't blood loss from that. Functional testing indicated she had gluten sensitivity, leaky gut, and other food sensitivities. Stool testing indicated she had candida yeast and bacterial overgrowth, along with high inflammation in her gut. And all of this was leading to malabsorption, thus the nutritional deficiencies and hormonal imbalance, autoimmune markers, and overall feeling terrible. Instead of going to various specialists and treating each of these symptoms with various medications, she wanted to address the underlying root cause, which revolved around her gut health. So I put her on the free diet and specific supplements, which I'll go over shortly. And the result was, after 2 months, we did a lab test, and she came in to review that feeling so much better. She had vast improvement in her fatigue, insomnia, dizziness, brain fog, irritability, bloating, abdominal pain, and the following were better: her heart palpitations, shortness of breath, anxiety, depression, headaches, hair loss, indigestion, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, gas, constipation. She was feeling so much better. No more episodes of laying on the couch for a week, not able to get up. She was able to work her regular schedule, and her lab test revealed her iron deficiency anemia was resolved. No more anemia. Her ferritin, B12, folate improved to normal levels. Also improvements in her vitamin D, thyroid and adrenal markers, and her autoimmune antibodies improved by 50% in those 2 months. She was feeling so much better. How she achieved this is with the free diet. It's a diet I developed years ago when I was dealing with my own autoimmune thyroid and rheumatoid condition, fatigue, IBS, skin, and other health issues. With this, I was able to get better, and it's a diet that's free of not only gluten, but gluten, grains, sugar, yeast, dairy, eggs, soy, legumes, nightshades, processed foods. All those foods most commonly responsible for inflammation, gut, thyroid, and other chronic health issues. I'll put a link below for the free diet phase 1 food chart and a video at the end of this one that goes into it in more detail. In summary, it's a smoothie for breakfast, which is high in protein, essential fats, fruits and vegetables, and fiber. For lunch and dinner, it's protein, beef, chicken, fish, with plenty of vegetables and healthy fats. And as you get better in phase 2 and beyond, we start adding in other foods to see how you do. And we'll also send you a recipe for the breakfast smoothie along with the free diet phase 1 food chart. And then for the supplements, she took the functional 5, which is multi-fish oil, vitamin D with K, magnesium, probiotic, other gut support supplements, curcumin to help with inflammatory support, and nutrients she was low in, including iron with vitamin C. The type of iron I recommend is iron glycinate. And she also took B12, B complex, CoQ10, and other nutrients she was low in. So with this, she was able to restore her gut health, resolve her low ferritin, iron deficiency, anemia symptoms, and enjoy her life again. So if you have any of these gut, fatigue, or other chronic symptoms, I encourage you to to find the root causes so you can be provided the right solutions. You shouldn't have to live with this. And if you'd like personalized help, feel free to contact us so you won't have to live with this and you can start enjoying your life again. Thanks for joining me today. I'll put a video here that goes into the free diet in more detail, the free diet phase 1 food chart below. Feel free to like and subscribe so more people can watch this video, and I'll see you next time.